iPhone 13 Pro in 4K 30 out here in the countryside. It's going to be interesting to see how this performs against all the Sony cameras we've been testing over the last 5 years. We're at 4K 30. Let's have a try of the telephoto. And 3 times zoom. Let me know in the comments if that looks any good compared with the Sony cameras we normally use. The sun was out, but unfortunately we're behind some clouds at the moment, but nevertheless we'll soldier on. I'll flick back now to the 1 times camera. I've also been testing in ProRes. I took a 4-minute test for you guys in ProRes, and the size of that was 26 gig. So it'll be interesting to see how I'm going to transfer that to the laptop, be it with the cable Lightning, which is of course USB 2. Or another way of maybe sharing it over the air. So this one isn't ProRes, this is just 4K 30, straight out the camera, nothing changed at all, nothing changed in post, no colour editing, no nothing. What you see is what you get. And as usual guys, it's been emotional.